Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices fell after central bankers in the US and Europe signalled caution over further easing of monetary policy, fanning concerns that weak economic activity could dent demand for oil next year. US stocks rose, bouncing modestly from a sharp drop in the prior session after the Fed forecasted fewer than expected interest rate cuts and higher inflation next year. Economic data backed up the Fed's view, with weekly initial jobless claims falling more than expected, while GDP for the third quarter was revised to show a 3.1% increase. Funds stolen by hacking cryptocurrency platforms surged 21% from a year ago to $2.2 billion in 2024, a report from Chain Analysis showed. The hacking amount exceeded $1 billion for the fourth straight year, and the number of incidents rose to 303 from 282 in 2023. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upward correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI indicates an oversold market. The economic calendar is set to release a variety of key reports in the days ahead. Market participants should take note of high-impact events, as these could steer market positioning and broader trading sentiment. These releases may offer new insights into market behaviour. Watching closely for reactions and adjusting your plan can enhance your investment approach.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.